Let us see different classes of vectors. So one of the type is numeric vector. The decimal values are referred as numeric data types in R. This is the default working out data type. If you assign a decimal value to any variable, it will become a numeric type. So let's try. Let's print the value of B. To identify a data type, we use the class function. Which is numeric. Let us try with another number. Let's print and let's just see what is the class. Keep saving your work. The another class is integers. If you want to create any integer variable in R, you have to invoke as.integer function to define any integer type of data. Let's try. Let's try to check the class. It's numeric, so by default it is numeric. If you want to change the class, let's try. Let's try to print the class. It's integer. Okay. You can also check whether any variable is an integer or not by applying the is.integer function. Let's try. Is.integer and we'll give the value z. It's true. Yes. So my z is an integer, which is a true. Let's try to convert a numeric value to an integer. Which is having a decimal value. See, whenever you try to convert any decimal value to an integer, so it will convert, but it will work like typecasting, where the value 55.5 changed to 55. Let's try with another number. Again, the 3.14 is converted to 3. Okay, let's try something else. I'm making a vector. So by default the class is numeric. Let's check the class again. It's numeric. Let's create this vector to integer. Here you can see earlier it was numeric and it is created, now it has been changed from numeric to an integer. Let's check the class again. Yes, this is an integer. So there is another method to convert your numeric to integer. Let's try. Okay, so now my z is numeric. Here you can see the change in from integer to numeric. So while converting your integer to numeric, you have to just add L next to your vector. So it will be 3 and capital L, comma 4 capital L and 5 capital L. So it will convert your numeric to integer. Let's print Z. Let's check the class of Z. Now let's try to print a decimal value with adding L, and we'll see whether it will convert it into an integer or not. Yes. So this has been executed, but I'm not getting any errors. He's giving the R is giving me a warning message as integer literal 45.8 L contains decimal. So it will convert into numeric. Let's see what is the value of Z now. It's 45.8. Here also you can see the value is updated to 45.8. It is not converting it into an integer. Let us see the class of Z. Here the class of Z is numeric.